Good morning, class. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up the positions of your chips in your DAMAT board. So basically, class, this is your DAMAT board. On the upper corner, it is numbered 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The same number in your lower part of the DAMAT board, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. On the right side, it is numbered 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, which is the same with the numbers on the left side of the DAMAT board. You can also notice that this DAMAT board contains the 4 fundamental operations, and you should know the positions of these symbols so that in playing DAMAT board you will not get lost. Basically, the rules in playing the Filipino checkboard game called Dama will be used with some modifications in integrating mathematics and science as follows. So first, we have the integer Damath. So let us set the starting positions of the chips. You can notice that the blue chips was positioned on where 0, 0 takes place. On the first row, it is -9, +6, -1, +4. On the second row of your blue chips, it is numbered 0, -3, 10, and -7. And on the third row, it is numbered -11, 8, -5, and +2. While the positions of the chips in the red chips, the first row is 4, -1, 6, and -9. You have noticed that the chips in the red and the blue on the first row is just the same, only that the positions are reversed. The same with the chips on the second row of the red chips. It is also positioned like -7, 10, -3, and 0. Again, they are opposite on the second row of your blue chips. The same with the last row. You have here 2, -5, 8, and -11. So they are also opposite with the blue chips. So this is how you're going to set up the positions of the chips in an integer Damath. I hope you were able to follow, and soon you will know how to play the integer Damath.